Iko answer.
250 milligrams. Tingnan mo na.
So, good morning. I am John Carl Joseph Nepomuceno, and today I will be return demonstration the vial administration. So, the first thing is to check the buffer medication.
From Sikyas, high level.
Perform hand hygiene. And then now we're going to get the proper dosage.
Okay, next.
Perform na AJ. Oh, first.
Kaya list din nila yung syringe kayo. Hindi lang kita.
Ila sa atin.
Yeah. Para pa. Okay ka na lang?
Napayuban siya. Ang uban wala din.
Nakagawag na tayo, sir.
Sige na, dali na. Go na.
High level. Adjust ang needle. Hagang may ang hagang may ang syringe itself. Ang syringe, dili ang plunger. Na, sige, nya pull.
Ibalik.
So that is all, and make sure to perform hand